wake up from the sound of a tornado siren. You run because you see a tornado nearby. What should you do? Should you avoid it? Should you do something? Or should you run?
Bart, what can you see? Is anyone hurt?
I wouldn't be surprised. There is so much damage down there.
Here's how to survive a mega tornado. A tornado is as a rotating funnel-shaped cloud that can extend from a thunderstorm to the ground with whirling winds that can reach 300 miles per hour. Damage paths of tornadoes can be in excess of 1 mile wide and 50 miles long. Tornadoes can accompany tropical storms and hurricanes once on land. If you get stuck in a tornado, don't worry, you can get out. Here's how. Go to the basement or an inside room without windows. On the lowest floor, bathroom, closet, center hallway. If possible, avoid sheltering in a room with windows. For added protection, get under something sturdy, a heavy table or a workbench. Cover your body with a blanket, sleeping bag, or mattress. Tornadoes have picked people and items up, carried them some distance, and then set them down without injury or damage. True but rare, people and animals have been transported up to a quarter mile or more without serious injury. Tornadoes are still beasts. That's how to survive a tornado. If you want more videos like this, make sure you go and subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment what I should do next. Peace.